This is a Sligh model Trend grandfather's clock that I purchased in 1982. It's been running basically flawless the entire time I've owned it. I have cleaned and lubricated the mechanism several times. Nice inlay. Beautiful cabinet. It has the Kinegar movement with second hand dial and also the moon dial. And this clock right now is accurate to within a second, and it's for literally months, except when you wind it, then you lose it some time. There's 3 chimes: Whittington, St. Michael, and I wanted to say Westminster. It's in perfect, pristine condition. Was purchased in Chicago originally. Now it's living in Wisconsin.